Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I am very happy to share this golden occasion with all of you that HMC Boys High School and HMC School system. I am very happy to share this beautiful occasion with you that HMC Boys High School Texla under the supervision HMC School Management coaching classes, distance learning classes due to the corona COVID-19 environment. So different teachers have given such good lectures that the students for living in their house, they have started learning and picking the lectures of the relevant teachers, and they have given so much positive response that I am proud of my school, I am proud of my teachers, and the foremost I am proud of the parents who has positively responded on all this. And the most valuable assets, that is our children of the nation, children of HMC locality, children of Pakistan, children of Muslims, they are positively responding and learning their lessons of different subjects with the help of their hard working teachers of different subjects. So I salute to the whole community, to the whole faculty of HMC Boys High School for providing us such an opportunity to guide our students by all means. So here today we are presenting the first video of their science subject, and this is science of grade 3, Grow With Me, and it is the publication of children publications. So the children publication is being taught by the most competitive of the teacher of the school, and the most positive and healthy and active response of the HMC Boys High School students of class 3rd is here presented in front of you. Thank you. I think all of the students will be proud, and their parents will be proud on it, their teachers will be proud of it, and that is, the school is already proud of our valuable asset, that is our children. So watch and give positive response about this video and share with it and subscribe this channel. Working. So a man become king by doing hard work of day and night. It is my moral lesson to the whole community of Muslims. Thank you.
जी वलीद अब्दुल्ला, आप मुझे साइंस के यूनिट नंबर 2 के ऑब्जेक्टिव सुनाएंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. Roundworms live inside the dash.
Animal body.
Good. Mosquito causes dash in the human beings.
Malaria.
Yes. Insects have dash legs.
Ticks.
Worms do not
Backbone.
have dash. Good. Outer cover of some
Kitten.
insects is made up of
Kitten.
chitin.
Chitin.
Kitten नहीं होता, chitin. ठीक है. Kitten तो बिल्ली का बच्चा होता है. ओके जी. आगे select the proper option. Invertebrates do not have skin, legs, bones, eyes.
Bones.
Yes, good. Scaries and hookworm belong to flatworms, insects, mammals, roundworms.
Roundworm.
Good. Liver fluke and planaria belong to mammals, birds, flatworms, parasites.
Flatworms.
Yes, good. Mosquito causes the disease flu, headache, cancer, malaria.
Malaria.
Yes, good.
Question is, describe the body structure of insects.
Insects have 3 parts: head, thorax, abdomen.
ठीक है, सही. What are invertebrates? What are invertebrates?
Invertebrates are the animals which have no backbone.
Good. चले इत्तेहाद अहमद, ये साइंस की यूनिट नंबर 2 की एक्सरसाइज सुनाए, ठीक है. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. आउटर कवर ऑफ सम इंसेक्ट इज मेड अप ऑफ डैश.
Chitin.
Good. Worms do not have dash bone.
Back.
Insects have dash legs.
6.
Mosquito causes dash in human beings.
Malaria.
सही. Roundworms live inside the dash.
Animal's body.
ठीक है. अच्छा जी, अगला. Select the proper option. Invertebrates do not have skin, legs, bones या eyes.
Bones.
ठीक है.
Assalamualaikum teacher, my name is Abdul Muiz, my father name is Chaudhary Jamil Akhtar. Unit 2, invertebrates are the animals which have no backbone, arms and insects are included in this group. Invertebrates are divided into further groups. Some of them are given below. Worms have a flexible, mostly round and cylindrical bodies. Some worms are very harmful to human beings and animals.